What's up, everyone? I'm gonna do a DIY install for Total Chaos upper control arms today for the front of my '01 Sequoia. As of now, it has a 2-inch lift, the Bilstein 5100 setup, and I have some issues in the front where the spindles of the upper ball joint makes contact to the coil springs. So we're going to put these in today. And this is supposed to correct the angle of the upper of the upper ball joint too. So stay tuned. So here are the issues that you generally get. This is again 2-inch setup, so I can't get any droop out of this thing without having the spindles getting lined up in between the coil springs. And it's already starting to leak. This ball joint was less than a year old, actually. So, new control arms are going to go in. It's supposed to correct the angle of that, and it's also supposed to correct the caster issue too. So, stay posted. Give you a follow-up. Like most parts, sometimes you're gonna have to like pre-assemble them first before you start the install. Just going over the quality of the product, the welds, amazing. Total Chaos Fabrication, awesome work. Powder coated. I can't wait to get this on. It's even got like the pre-tap threaded holes for you to service it. Uniball style, uniball design ball joints for the uppers. So these are supposed to be more durable actually. So really excited to get them on. Here's your bushings and the pivot sleeves, the hardware. Super stoked. Per instruction, they supply with you everything that that you need. You have super lube. Basically, when you lubricate the parts before they go on, you're actually just going to be lubricating the outer sleeve here and the inner sleeve of the bushings. You don't want to lube the outside of the bushings because it will actually cause this to spin inside your joints. So here's where you want to lube. And just for a quick comparison, bolt up control arms and the total chaos. Alright, real quick before I continue, I got the through bolt through. I did not fasten it down yet, just let the through bolt there, it's just kind of hanging out for now. Once you get that lower piece in, you will have to find a way to get your C-clip on there. I don't have those tools, the C-clip tools and stuff, so found a way to MacGyver it, whatever you want to call it, make it work. And you're going to run a through bolt through from the top, and your sleeves, don't get these mixed up because they are two different sizes. This is oriented for the top, this is the one that's going to go to the bottom, and like so, it's going to sit right in that little channel right there, like so. And then you run your bolt through from the top. And where's the bolt? It's here somewhere. Don't forget your washers. They supplied a lot of washers, so you should have plenty to make it all work. To here. And that bolt is going to drive through this, and you're going to lock it down from the back here. And you're also supplied a locking nut too. So. And it's just currently all snugged down. Well, love the way it looks. So super stoked. Can't wait to get that travel troop back and go off-roading. Real quick, I just looked up the procedures. The hardware that holds the control arms together up here, the coil bucket, is 98 foot-pounds, and for the upper ball joint it will be 100 foot-pounds, just to give you everyone a heads up. And tidy everything up, good to go. And that pretty much includes install. Pretty straightforward. Before you tighten those bolts down, I actually want to just leave them snug, and then you add grease into them first. There's instructions online to tell you how to do that. When you pump grease into them, you'll see like the bushings will start to like spread or move out a bit, and that's when you stop. Same with the other side. And that's pretty much how it sits. Spindle no longer makes contact to the coil spring. Total chaos. Excellent quality. Go for a test drive. And I think after 100 miles you come back and you check. No more binding, so I'm pretty happy about that.